Okay, so good morning and good evening, everyone, and welcome back in today's class. Okay, today we are going to be start a new topic in the request management. Anna, maybe if required, you can switch off your video. That's fine, no problem. Okay, the videos are required only for the Friday test, not before that. Okay, so now we are going to be see that when I open the service portal, okay, and I search for a request item. If I go here catalog and see here browse by category, then how this item has been created and how this item put into this particular category and this category bring into that particular catalog. So now let's take example. Khushbu, Akanksha, Anna and Saba. They said, guys, let's start a restaurant. That's fine, good. They are okay to invest and they are going to be kick off the okay kick off the discussion on the this part. Khushbu was very good in the cooking and all the things. Card part, we need to be decide that from where we have to be start. So like if I say here, so now if nowadays if you go to restaurant and you say okay I am here, so waiter came and say sir what would like to be take. He give you the multiple menu cards. He will give you the main course is the different one, drinks is a different one. Maybe nowadays they have a child menu card as well or the kid menu card as well. Under these menu cards, these are called the catalogs, different catalogs. So now I'm talking about these things. Service catalog, IT catalog, I can say HR catalog, kind of these things. So now they decided that Khushbu says, Saba, we will have a 3 menu cards, main course, drinks and child card. Okay. Now under the menu card, let's say you open the restaurant, I came for the first time visit and you give me the menu card. Atul, this is a menu card for the main course. I said, boss, but it is blank inside. Nothing is there. Oh, so it means in the menu card, we have to put some categories. In the sense, like in the main course, we have a curry. The main course, we have a bread. In the main course, we have a dessert. In the main course, we have a soup. These are the category. Again, remember the yesterday example. Nobody will come and say, hey, bring the curry. People will say that can you bring this dry fish curry? People will say, can you bring the tomato soup? People will say, can you bring the monsoon soup? Nobody will say that, okay, guys, bring a soup. So it means under the categories, I have to put the items here. So how it will look like now? This under soup, I will put tomato soup. I will put mancho soup. I will put veg soup. In dessert, I will put ice cream. I will put this. I will put some other part. In breads, I will put baked breads. I will put tandoori breads. Or in the curry, I will put dry. I will put some other curry name. so that now any customer which is coming to your restaurant, he or she will order to this particular report. He will come and say, okay, Saba, can you bring one veg soup for me? When they done their dinner or when they done their lunch, can you bring this ice cream? Now the question come, Atul, ice cream also a very big term. It's up to you. If you want to divide, you can divide ice cream as well now. So what do you say? Ice cream is mango ice cream, strawberry ice cream, pineapple ice cream, XYZ, you can put it here. The only thing which is be required here to be understand, until unless you don't have a item, category will not appear in this list here. In your menu card, if you just mention the soup, do you think that it's look good here? Now if I say, if I come to you guys, before starting this training, almost everybody, and I appreciate because this is what you should know. Everybody say, Atul, can you share me the agenda for this training? I still remember that Saba was more interested in this topic. Atul, I want to go for the request management. He asked, I said, okay, I'm teaching the request management. Then he said, Atul, what you're teaching in the request management? I say, I'm teaching the workflows, flows, categories, catalog, service portal. Then he said, Atul, are you teaching about some user criteria as well? Are you teaching about the variable as well? I said, yes. I did not mention, but it is covered. But in the practical life, it is not the case. Customer will not say, hey, do you have this ice cream? Customer will say, if you did not mention in the menu card, it means that doesn't exist. So now we need to be start from here, from main course, and we'll reach to this point. And we are going to do this activity via catalog builder only. Catalog builder is a new feature or new module given by ServiceNow from the last version. From the ROM onwards, ServiceNow give to use the catalog builder. Easy to use. There is another way as well, which we called as a maintain category, maintain catalog, maintain category, and maintain data. You can, I will share one video to you in after today's class. You should go some video from a previous batch just to understand that how it's work, and then you can correlate the same with the catalog builder. Okay, let me show you something on this part as well so that you can get comfortable. I'm not sure that why internally I'm not be still happy to skip this part. Let me show you something here. Okay, now come here. Maintain. These three things I'm talking: maintain catalog, maintain category, maintain item. Now the work which we are going to be do via catalog builder, you can do via these options as well. Okay, you can do via these options as well. Now let's come here. The only thing is that it is good in the look and feel. That is the good point. So what it says that what you want to do, you want to create a catalog item, or you want to create a catalog item, or you want to create a new template. Template means, let's say now Khushbu, Akanksha, Saba is well matured in the restaurant business. It's more than 3-4 years. They are earning well. Their restaurant is running good. Now they says, hey, let's open another restaurant in some other place. Do you think they will, Khushbu will create the catalog from the scratch? No, she will not create from the scratch. Now she know that either I'll open one restaurant or either I open the 10 restaurant. The process is going to be same. So she will create a template format. So she will create a menu or catalog format. On the top, there should be name, then address, then the security number, then the VAT number, and all the things. Then address should be there, then map should be there. So she is putting the this thing template there. So we will start from the this part. Okay. Let's start from the create a new catalog item. Okay, the only thing which has been not good, which I don't like in the catalog builder specifically, you cannot create an item without template here. Okay, you cannot create an item without the template here. So what I will do now for you, and this is a workaround I am giving to you. Come here and search for the maintain item. Open it. What you have to be do, and this is just a workaround. Maybe service now working on the background that I should able to create an item from catalog builder without template as well. As of now, they're not giving options. So you can see template, detail, location, question, everything have to be do. So what I'm doing, I am doing this one step from the maintain item so that you can make a changes easily. Click on the new. Let's say I want to create a catalog for the restaurant, and in the restaurant, or let's say I want to be create a catalog for my training items. And last item which you can order is called the functional training. Okay, just put this name only for the sake and click on the submit here. Nothing else. Okay, now come to the catalog builder and cross it, and you can come here and search for your catalog item. It is here. Because I'm again repeating my words. When you go to the video for the maintain item, you will able to understand that why I said to create a name here and then come back here. Because in this area, sorry, because in the catalog builder, you cannot create a catalog item without template, which I don't want to do. Okay, so today homework for everybody. Let me say who will take a homework today. Anna, you there? Anna, can you say yes or no, or maybe you can put your hand or reaction. Okay, you unmuted your, good. Anna, take the question for today's. Okay. The first question is that I will share 1 or 2 videos that will be English. You have to be go through that video. Second, everybody need to be create at least 1 or 2 catalog items. One catalog item via this method complete, and one catalog item via this method. So now let's open this and let's create our as required part. Click on the edit here. Okay. Now we will go one by one and you will understand that what we are going to be do here. Okay. Item name is the functional training, means what you want to be appear like this here. Like this. I said functional training. Okay. What is the short description? This is LNG training where learn and grow together. Okay, this is the has been added for me. Okay. Now come to the detail. What you want to put in the email, this body. This is what I'm talking about, like this. If I open, what you want to put like this. Let me pick up this and copy and paste it here. This is the detail. And the plus point is that which you cannot do easily in the maintain item, you can do here. You can put the images, you can put the table, you can put the board, you can put the hyperlink, you can put the remove link, anything you can do here. If you want, you can change the font as well. A limited one, but you can still make a change here. Like this. Now click on the save here. Now let's come and see is my item is appearing or not. Let's come here. My item is not appearing. Why? Because will you create a menu card where you don't have these things? You just have a dry curry, baked tandoori, ice mango, strawberry, pineapple, monsoon soup, veg soup. You will not create that catalog because it is tough for the user to understand that which particular item is falling in which particular category. So what is missing point here? The missing point is that this particular item which we created is don't have any kind of a category map. Now either you can click on the location here or you can put the location here. Location means where you want to map this particular item. Now if I say, if I put like this, let's say orange juice, definitely you can say Atul, it should be go into the category called the juice and it is a drink part. So juice become the category and drinks become this one, my catalog. So now I can go and do the catalog here. You can click on the browse and you can see the all available catalogs here. So where you want to put, I want to put in the service catalog. I'll click here and save. Now catalog is there. You put that it is the main course, but under main course, which category should be there? Click on the category and let's put hardware here. Now the problem statement is that in this particular area, okay, in this catalog builder, you are not be getting any rights to creating a new catalog. Suppose if I want to create my new catalog, I am not getting any option to create a new. So to do this part, I will take you in the maintain item as well. Once again, we will cover that part as well. Okay, now I'll come back here. Category, I want to put in the category called the, let's say, laptop. Let's say this thing, mobile. Okay, say. Now let's see. It's saved. Let me open it and now search. Windows hardware, mobile. Still it is not appearing. Why it is not appearing? Any idea, guys? Why it is not appearing?
I think you have to create variables.
Sorry?
You're going to create variables?
No. What you will put variable in the juice? Simple orange juice, right? The reason is that till now we did not submit it here. It is still in the draft phase. Khushbu prepared the, what I can say, menu card. And she says, Saba, can you please review? Until unless Sava will review, she cannot put an order for the printing. Then how it will be appear? Now the next point is that questions. Question means now because specifically in the Europe region or maybe in the US region, whenever you go and buy any food item, they clearly mention that what ingredients it contained, it has allergic or not, it has a for vegetarian or not, it is for the vegan or not. So these are the questions. These are the statements. But if you want to buy a mobile phone, you want to see what color, how much memory, how much RAM, what is the processor and all the things. So these particular things called the question here. That is what I'm saying. Now today in today's practice, everybody need to be think a good catalog item. Don't create the rubbish one. Atul, I'm creating it for the food or I'm creating for the hotel. No. Think something productive. Maybe someone can think from the class admission, school admission, class test, sports activity, wedding planner, event planner, maybe some office kind of a things catalog item you can prepare. So think what you can best prepare at this point of time. Okay. Now let me put the question here. So remember the points we are doing here, we will do it again via maintain item as well. So don't worry, but the thing is that try to use these options nowadays instead of going for the previous one. Insert question. What type of question you want to do? Question set means service now says, okay, let's say now Khushbu know that we are going to be open a new restaurant. In the next restaurant also, few things will be similar. Or let's say Khushbu is running online a website of selling the Indian products. She is having some kind of a cloth, she is having some kind of accessories. Okay, if tomorrow she need to be create another website, the question will be same. Okay, so these things are the question set. It means which is already built up for us. So you can put the question set here. So these are the things which is given by service now. Let's say it to IT to IT basically, and submit. Atul, how we can create question set? We will see little later. Now I want to put one more question here. Single column container. And under that, new behavior. And you can insert the question like this. New question? Yes. What type of question you want to be asked? Text, option, choice, date and time, or the display label. I want to ask for the date and time. Okay. Subtype, date and time, yes. What is the question? Heading. Date of birth. Okay. Is it mandatory to fill? I can say yes. If it is mandatory, then you cannot hidden or the read only. If it is hidden, then you cannot make it mandatory. If it is a read only, then you cannot make it as a mandatory. So these are the options which is given by service now. So I'll put mandatory here. Okay. Now come to the annotations. Show instructions. This thing, if you click on this part, okay, and you see some question mark here, like some question mark here or here, that is called the instructions here. Let's put welcome in LNG world. Okay, fine. Yes, Atul, fine. Click on the insert question. One more question I want to put, Atul. Put insert question. I want to put for the choice. Choice drop down from a table, again reference, record reference, radio button or multi-select. I can say multi-select. Okay. I'll put a question called the qualification. Okay. Is it mandatory to be answered? Yes. Additional details. Do you want to put any source table for this? I may say no, I don't want what a question I put it here. Choices now. Choices coming from the choice table. Let's not put choices, then let's put the option. Okay. Checkbox. Yes. And I'll put graduation correct. And if I put qualification, why am I not getting the option here for this one? Okay, yes or no, sorry. Choices. Include none as well. Right. Notation, same thing. I'm not putting a notation here. Insert the question here. Now, my set of question is ready now. Don't be confused, guys. This is very interesting topic. You will love to do this part. Now come to the settings. Settings means these options you're able to see, these one. These are coming from the settings. Do you want to hide a cart? Add to cart option. This one. Yes, I want to be hide. Do you want to hide the delivery time? Yes. Do you want to hide the quantity? Yes. Do you want to make attachment mandatory? No. What you want to be display here? Order now or request or submit. I'll put submit here. Okay. Then you can continue to save and come to the access. This is very much important from the consulting perspective. Very much important. Why? I don't want. So now if you see here, this Excel sheet I'm maintaining, right? I don't want anybody can see the any other sheet in this Excel sheet, Excel file. So what I do, I put a user criteria. You guys cannot see the extra sheet here, which I have. So like I have a master sheet here. If I say, if I put unhide, so I have this master sheet as well. Because you are not authorized, but my wife can see this part. My parents can see this part. How this can be, how the setting can be done? This setting can be done via option called the access. It is called the user criteria. Very wonderful concept in ServiceNow. If you don't want to show any catalog item, any knowledge article to any of the user, you can use this particular option. Available for, not available for. Who can see, who cannot see. Like when we have a marriage in our house, we avoid that kids should go in a specific room where you have jewelry, where you have your outfits for the marriage day, where you have some cash, where you have some major products or some major items which you don't want that kids should go and touch anything. Then you put a small lock there. But your brother, sister, your wife, your husband, your parents can go in that particular room. So how it's work? Available for browse. You're not here, you're not putting the username. No, you're putting a specific group name. Like this. I say any user who has the ITL role can see this particular catalog item. Available for every user who is having the ITL role here. Submit. Not available for, up to you. So try this part. try something different here and then impersonate and check is that user is able to see or not. And at last it comes the fulfillment. Very important. Fulfillment says yesterday, if you remember, that I submit a request for the laptop or the desktop, it created, it go for the approval, then the different task has been generated. How those things are working in ServiceNow? Those are working via the fulfillment, and that is called the workflow or the flow. Workflow, sorry, I'll answer the or, workflow and flow. Sorry, or is the right word, because now in the San Diego service, in the Rome as well and the San Diego as well, service now recommend to use the flow instead of the workflow. In tomorrow's class, we're going to be see that how the flow or the workflow can be generated, can be not generated, can be created. Okay. So as of now, it's saying that this item has an execution plan that cannot be configured. Execution plan is the very old concept in ServiceNow. If I show you my item now here, what is the item name? Functional, right? If I open this and you can go here, the process engine. It is showing the execution plan, which is not accepted into the here. So as of now, let's keep it like this only. And finally, review and submit. Item is active. Yes. Short description. If you want to put images, you can put it. No issues. You can put catalog and all the things are there. See how it will look like. Let's click on the preview here. This is what the benefit service now give. So like this, it will appear to a user like this. What is the primary contact? From where these questions are coming? Atul, we did not put. Yes. These are the coming from the question set. This is what we put. Qualification. Date of birth. If you want to use the portal, it's look like this. If you want to see in the mobile app, it will be look like this. In the mobile, it will look like this. If you want to see the virtual agent app or the virtual agent, sorry, the chat window, it will look like this. Okay, now we are not able to submit it. Why? Because we have to make a change in the fulfillment. So what you can do, you can come here and click on the, it has been saved, right? It has been saved till now, good. And refresh this page, try to refresh this page. Okay, now if you want to make some item edit here, some point edit here, you have to be click on the cancel checkout. Why it has been lost? Okay, now I'll come here and I change the execution plan to the flow, that is the default one. Do we have any kind of a default? Let me put this one. I'm just putting for the sake of our purpose now. And save. And click on the edit in the catalog builder. Same thing, it will be open here now. Generally in my training, in the previous trainings, what I do, I start from here and then I reach to this point. It's lost everything. Yeah, that's very bad. We have to write it again. Okay, let me do it quickly. That's bad actually. ServiceNow must do something here that we should allow to be create the catalogs, fresh catalog from here as well. Let's put in the office questions. Insert question set. IT to IT, submit. I'm not going to be creating new questions now because I need to be come back on the maintain item. This thing you can put, hide this, delivery time, access, I want for everyone, fulfillment. Now you can see the fulfillment is coming. It's saying workflow you're using or the flow. I said I'm using the workflow as of now. Flow we will see. And finally, review and submit. Once you submit, then it is ready for the use on the portal. Let's come here, search here. We have under offices now, right? Office. Now can we see here, do we have our catalog item or not? Let's try to find out from here. Functional. You can see here. Click here where catalog office functional training. See, it is showing only the request. Why? Because in our catalog item, we just mentioned this thing only. That it should take the request button here. Now let me close this and open this. If I come here, settings, I want it should be order. Now I save it and reload it. Oops, I did not submit it. Submit means you are going to be publish it now. And reload this page. You can search from here as well. And now you can see all the options here. Why? Because we make a change in our catalog item. Now let me come back here, guys. Till this point, any doubt, any question, anyone? See, I'll tell you few things. Being a consultant, we are not going to be create these items. Very clearly, I'm telling you. Very clearly, we're not going to be create this item. But these are required so that you can go and talk to the customer in the particular language of the service now. That what exactly you'll be looking for. And one more recommendation. Don't be confused with the different words here, guys. That what is this word? This is what this term means. What is this term means? So you have to be very clear. When I'm saying these are the items, it means these are the items. Don't say, Atul, I'm creating something which we can order. No, you have to be very careful that this is the request item. This is the category. This is the catalog here. Everybody clear till this point? Can I get some reaction? Yes, no, clear, not clear, some sad smiley, some good smiley. Ugo, EB, Saba, MJ. Any doubt, any question? Let me come to my way of teaching then. Okay, thanks Akanksha. Omiko, Gloria, Ima, Anna. Any doubt, any question? Good. So now I can understand and I can assume that today you can go for this catalog item creation. Now what we'll do, we will create one more catalog item, but with the older way of using. Not sure that why my inner species or inner space is not agree to be skip that part and say people can do by their own. No, let me show you something that how you can create the same catalog item from the older method. Now let's come here and search for the So now what we'll do, we'll create a new catalog as well. Maintain. Me guys, in the interview, question asked in this area as well. What do you mean by the catalog? What do you mean the catalog builder? What is the difference between catalog and the category? Okay. Maintain catalogs here. Let's create a new catalog for us. See, this functionality is not available in the catalog builder. Maybe ServiceNow enhance this functionality in the Tokyo release. In upcoming releases, I can say, not about the Tokyo I'm talking specifically, because Tokyo is coming very soon into the picture now. Maybe they enhance this functionality in Tokyo or some other releases, but this is be required now. I cannot use halfway here and halfway here, but companies are using the catalog builder nowadays. So we should know that how it's actually work. Okay, so now let's see one more method, and you have to practice via both methods. Let's get a new catalog. New here. What is my catalog name? And is my catalog. Who is manager? I'm the manager of this particular catalog. Who can edit? Anybody who is from the batch 8. Any particular username they'll be saying. Okay. They're putting some. This one. I said Stila from the batch 8 can edit this catalog item. Description. This catalog is for LNG. Color you want to put? Atul, yes, I want to put blue. See how smart they are. See, I put blue and it's becoming like this. If you remember that hash code as well, you can put it like this. What is the desktop image for this catalog? You can do any kind of R&D, guys. Believe me, you can do any kind of R&D. Let me come on the batch 8. Let me see day 1. Okay. Today's homework is going to be very interesting for you. I'm telling you. Continue shopping page, continue this page. You have to be checked. I'm not going to be tell these things quickly. Now click on the save here. My catalog is ready. Now let me come and see here. Home, catalog, browse by categories. Oops. Why I'm not able to see my catalog here? See. Why my catalog is not appearing, guys, here? Anybody has any doubt, any question on this part? Tell me why. Come on, guys. Why?
I think we have created a catalog and we are looking in categories, is it?
No, it should appear here like. It should show something here to me selection. When you go to restaurant.
We submit it.
No, we submit it, right? See, we save it. Here. We save it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Let's take it one step ahead. These are the questions which are being required in the interview, which ask. Now let's create a catalog and let's get a category. Okay. Let's click on the new category here. Categories that Atul or LNG is providing training. Number 1 is the ServiceNow training. Under which catalog you want to appear? I want to put into the training catalog. Correct? You will not put the hard drinks in the main course because that's not look good. All right. If you want to put any images, these things you can do. I'm not going to discuss this part. Click submit. चलो अब यहाँ पे फिर आते हैं. Let's open it. Come on. Still, my category is not appearing. My catalog is not appearing. Why? Why? Tell me, guys, quick. If you delay like this in interview, you are done. You are consultant. Customer asked this question, Atul, why my item is not appearing here? Put some wild thought, guys. Nothing to be worried. You know the answer, you know. I already told you this answer already. You have to be put it the right words now. Tell me, Akanksha, why my category is not appearing here? Tell me, Akanksha.
Can you repeat the question?
My question is that we have created the one catalog and one category, right, Ima? And I'm
Yes.
worrying why this catalog or this category is not appearing here.
Because we have not submitted it under service catalog yet.
Which service
Is
catalog?
it? We have not
Service
categorized it
service
anywhere, no,
catalog.
like under service
The
catalog or
service
any other
catalog.
catalog.
No, Khushbu, service catalog is like your main course. Let's say I created another catalog called the drinks. Okay.
Yes.
Now why the drinks are not appearing here? This is my question. Okay, let me go one more step and then you should able to understand little more here. Let come here and search for the maintain item. And let's create an item called in the service now. I have a called the functional training. Under which catalog it should be appearing? It should appear in the training catalog. Under which category should appearing? It should appear in the service now. Okay, and let me click on the, or let me put this, just copy here a short description. Item details, I'll put it here like this, just for the sake now. Submit. Okay, Khushbu, coming to your point now. Look, we submit now. Then also why my catalog item is not appearing here? Why my category is not appearing here? Why my catalog is not appearing here?
Because you're not in the right catalog category.
Tell me where I should go. Tell me.
You should go to the training.
Where is the training? Tell me, Ima. Where is the training?
Oh, under I think is it software?
No. No.
Under office?
How it can be? Will you find the drinks in the main course? Never.
Is it under
Drinks is a
service now?
separate. Sorry.
Under service now?
On the service now, tell me where I should go and check.
On the training on the training.
Ima, I am 100% agree. You're looking for the training, but tell me why training is not appearing here. You go to restaurant, the waiter give you only the main course and the child menu card. You're looking for the drinks. What you will say? Hey, can you give me the drinks menu card as well? My point is that I am running a restaurant. I have a 3 catalog, 3 menu card, 1 main course, 1 drinks and 1 for the child course. I give you the main course and the child one, but I did not give you the drinks one. I know it is ready in my background. We created, right? See, we created the catalog, we created the category, we created the item. But why I'm not giving to my user, my customer? When you use this old method, this maintain method, the reason is that you have to go to the portal here. Okay. When you go to the portal, open your portal, and in the portal you have to map that catalog. This is here. Now click on the edit here.
Oh, so okay, you have to add it to the cap. Okay. You didn't make it available.
Unless you will not map your catalog to your portal, it will not appear.
It will not show up. Okay, got you.
And now let's save it. And now you can see training. Click on the training. You can see category. Click on the category. You can see the item here. Understand the point, everybody now. Khushbu, Akanksha, Gloria, Ugo, Saba. That is the reason I want to repeat this point from the previous method as well. Now, if you go to the video which I am going to share, you will understand what I was speaking actually. Put some logic. Let me do one thing, guys. Okay. Now let's come here and create a one more category. Category, and let me put category name as a business analyst. Okay, under which catalog it should appear? It should appear the same training one. Submit. Now let me come here, click here and reload this page. I click on here. Training. Why only one is appearing, not the second one? Why the business analyst category is not appearing here? Any reason?
This has not been.
Because you have to map it to the.
What you want to map it now? You already map when your catalog. See, I did not change the catalog, right? If you come here and you see.
No, we have to also select which catalog we want to put this under.
It is there. See, catalog is there. Training.
So it's selected.
It is there. Catalog is there already.
So you have to go to category at the bottom.
Category, yeah.
See, I'm not able to see the category. Let me see. It is a category, right? I'm not able to get business analyst. Why? Why? Think from the 360-degree angle, guys. It is the time.
Have any item?
Sorry, Priya.
It does not contain any item.
How beautifully you answer it. Very correct. Will you serve a menu card to your customer where you don't have any item under that? You say, okay, drinks, hard drink and the soft drink. And under hard drink, there's no item. What should I order? Right? So unless you will not have a minimum one item in one category, it will not appear. If I say in my agenda, guys, I'm going to teach about the request management. Like this. This is my category. You will say, Atul, what do you mean by request management? How long it will be? What you're teaching in that? Because I did not put any item. Sorry, I'm not interested in that part. Now, Priya, pick up the correct word here, correct answer here. So let's come back here and go to the maintain item. And now create an item here. BA training BA BOC. Under which catalog? Training. Under which category is the BA, and submit. Come here, reload this page. And now you can see here. Clear the fundamental guys here now. This is what I told in the beginning. Until unless you will not have this item, the category will not appear. If you don't have a category, the catalog will not appear. When we become a parent, when we have at least one child, then people say, yes, he or she is a parent. Until unless you're not having a child, a baby, people will not call you the parent. They will call you simple. They will call it's a couple only. So every catalog should have one category minimum, and every category should have at least one item minimum. Only then on the here. Everybody clear now with this fundamental. Gloria, Ugo, EB, MJ, and Saba. Don't put the reaction here. I want to hear your voice now. Unmute and say yes or no, or any doubt you have. Tell me, guys. Gloria, Ugo, Saba, go ahead. Saba.
Clear.
This is what the topic you're more interested, right, Saba? If I remember.
Yes.
Good. Akanksha, Omiko, Khushbu, Priya, Anna, and Ima. Any doubt? Any question?
I don't have any question.
So you clear, right?
Clear.
Yes.
Perfect, fine, perfectly fine. Now what we will do a little bit more is that let's come to the catalog item here and let's search for the BA. Okay. The things which we done in the catalog builder, I can do it from here as well. Everything I can do it from here. Short description, BA box. Okay. Description, BA box, you can add images, plan, and everything you can edit here. Meta. Meta means if anybody search something, when my catalog item should appear. If anybody search for the LNG, if anybody search for the BA, if anybody search for the BA box, click on the save. When you are searching any laptop or any mobile phone in your in your maybe in the some app, you will find at the bottom you can buy the headsets, you can buy the power bank, you can buy the codes, you can buy the Bluetooth. Why? How it's be appearing? There's no magic in the background, guys. We set up like this that if someone search for the mobile phone, we should show the headphone advertisement as well. We should show the power bank advertisement as well. Now come back to this part. Variable and variable set. It is nothing. These are the questions which we created in the question section here. Let me show you here. Right? These are the questions. Let's come here. Click on the variable, click on the new. Sorry, let me save it first. I don't want to discuss this actually the old method, but still I thought that will be required for you as of now. Okay, so let me click on the new here and create a new variable here. Why it's not appearing? Let me see the variable set. Let me use another variable set, edit. See the same thing you can do it here. Let me put this question.
Why is it coming under related item?
Sorry?
Why is it coming under related item?
Related item.
Variable and variable set. It's coming under.
This is coming under this variable set, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, I think Saba, I missed out your question. Can you explain a little bit again?
I said, why is it coming under related? It's under related link.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Why not? Is it's there in the related link?
Yeah.
It's up to you because these are the related list which are supporting your main item or which are supporting your main record. Related links means something which you want to be update, which is coming for this particular things only. So if you put this related list as an item, sorry, UI action here, it will make your page heavy. You cannot see unless you open that part. Here you can just go and click on the edit and you can see that what variable set I'm putting here.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me click for the variable here. Why it's not be appearing for me? Not sure why it's taking a lot of time, guys. Okay. Now variable set has been done. Available for which we see already, that for whom available, the same method which we see here, access, right? Then category, under which category is appearing, catalog, under which catalog it's appearing. This thing you can skip as of now, related catalog items. This is a place. So I was saying, right, when you search for a mobile phone, you get a option for the headsets, you get an option for the what I can say, power bank. So it is coming from here only. Let me show you. Click edit. If someone is searching for the BA training, he should able to get the service now training as well. Category, no, sorry, it's category. It's called. Let's put training is something there. Showing service now. Okay, it is the category name, right? Sorry, functional. This one. Click on the save here. Okay, let me save here. Now this part has been done. The bottom part has been done now. Process engine, workflow flow, and the execution plan. Execution plan we're not going to be discussed tomorrow. We're going to be start with the workflow and then we'll discuss the flow. Again, guys, don't take a leave tomorrow. This is the crucial part from the consulting perspective, from the interview perspective. This I'm not going to be discussed now. This we'll discuss tomorrow. Picture. What picture you want to put it? Like this you can put. Okay. Here the come pricing. How much I should charge for this training? The price is coming here. Like from where the price is coming? It is coming from here. I said GBP. I charge 200 GBP for this training. Is it a reoccurring price? If you are my reoccurring participant, 1 batch, 2 batch you're attending, I'll charge $100 to you. Reoccurring frequency, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, semi-annually, I put semi-annually. These are normal journal things which you can understand without any explanation here. And the portal settings. Same thing. Submit, requested, order, and click on the save. I'm 100% sure now Khushbu has a question. Atul, if we can do everything via maintain item, then why ServiceNow give me the catalog builder? Right, Khushbu? And you will not believe this question has been asked to me as well when I was for my client interview. We have that gas one, liquid gas one in our houses, right? Specifically, maybe people from India, they know we have a gas stove, we have a gas cylinder, but we are still using, or people are using now inductions as well. Why? You can still cook the food on the both sides, either on the gas stove, either on the induction, but still you using the induction. It saves energy. It is easy to use. Correct. Same method ServiceNow gave. Catalog builder is easy to use, a good interface, a good looking. Wow. When I open this, Atul, yeah, it's looking good. See, we done the same action here as well, and we done the same action here as well. But I'm 100% sure you people will like this interface. It's little good, good color combination, bold letters, well detailed. Okay, so the only thing is that to enhance the user experience, ServiceNow is using this particular thing. Maybe they have to be improved little bit more on the catalog builder. They should give options which we are facing. I cannot create a catalog item without template in the catalog builder. Maybe they have some business logic behind that and they build it like this. Now let's save it and come to the this part and all catalog and search for my catalog here. Training, search for the BA, come for the BA box and you can see this thing like this. And see the related items are appearing. You're searching for phone, you're getting option for the other trainings as well. This is how the marketing actually work. Let me come here now. Clear guys, everybody? Any doubt? Both the method you should be very clear guys. Now at least create 3 to 4 catalog items, categories, catalogs. Do it guys, no problem, do it. Nobody's going to stop you. Make it half cook, full fry, like people who eat egg. They have a lot of options. Full fry, half fry, one side fry, two side fry, 1/4 fry. So like this is a portal. This is a catalog items. Go and make it as many as you want to think. You can make it for your kid. You want to be enter his detail, his toy detail, any bookshop, any restaurant, any hotel, any wedding catalog. Your trainings catalog, your portfolio catalog, that what you can do, what experience you have, your experience catalog kind of things. Think as much as you can think. Parking in your societies, in your flat, you have a parking. Dustbin pickup, the garbage pickup has been happened. The letterbox catalog, something like that. Okay. Everybody clear on this part now, right? Okay, now I have a question here. Before that, anybody has any question in the previous sessions, guys, which assignment I gave? Okay.
Yes, I have.
Yes, Khushbu, go ahead.
Yeah, so when creating this home page, I wanted to add images in the portal,
Okay.
and I wanted
Please
to
be clear.
add.
Khushbu, be clear on your terms here. Homepage, for me, homepage means I'm talking about this homepage. I told you, being a consultant, you should be very clear on the terms, guys. You will not believe, I was in a meeting and one guy from the service now, he's a very senior guy, he's a platform architect. He scolded me in front of everybody. He says, Atul, if you are using the wrong terms, then how you will communicate the right terms to your customer? When you say homepage, you have to be very specific. Atul, I'm talking about the portal homepage. When you say homepage, I thought you're talking about this homepage. Okay, tell me.
Yes, so when I was creating this homepage, in my own uh,
PDA.
instance,
Okay.
yes, I was not able to add pictures, images. It was asking for link. It was not asking for like how we browse and select the particular image. So how do we add it? Today I'm not able to log in into my instant. I don't know why, for some reason.
Are you
So I
getting
cannot
some,
share the screen.
are you getting some offline message that your PD is offline something and a
No,
breaking?
it's saying username and password is invalid. I don't know why.
Okay, maybe you can try, or maybe if you can get, I can tell you here. You can just give me the steps what you're doing here.
Yeah, I'll try and share the screen
If you
first.
can, that will be good.
But then I will not be able to still log in. So I'll show.
So in this case, do one thing.
Log in too. I can't log in too.
Why? Because I did not make any changes in the user table for a long time now. Ugu, are you able to
Can
log
you see my screen?
It's loading for me. Yes, I can see now.
Yeah, so here these were the images, but I was, and this should be the menu,
Okay.
but I am not able to upload anything here.
This is the page, right? Go to the settings
Yes.
from where you'll be getting these options.
Yeah, so that is the problem. I'm not able to log in, so I'll not be able to. I have to see this. But it is just asking for link of the image. I cannot choose it from my laptop, or
Desktop
even if I'm,
system.
even if I'm, sorry.
Look, you're not able to do it from the local system, right?
Yes, not from anywhere. I mean, even if I'm using, let's say I want to use this image, and if I'm copying the link from here, then also it is not working.
Maybe once you're able to log in, then we can discuss it tomorrow again.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll do that.
To
Yeah.
see the steps what you're following here.
Yeah, actually, I have two questions. One of them I don't remember today, so
Okay, no problem.
it's better.
And what you can do to reset the password is that go to the developer.servicenow.com.
Okay.
Okay, and log in into that particular link, and in that place you will get an option, reset the instance password.
Okay.
And one more thing, maybe issue is that you change the name here, system Khushbu. Don't change this name, guys. This is
No,
something
this is my instance. That's why the name is like this.
that is I'm agree, but maybe this can be an issue here.
I didn't change anything. I don't know.
Okay,
That's
open
why.
developer.servicenow.com. Because even yesterday, one or two of my friends in the are this point that they are not able to log into the PDI. Something has been done by ServiceNow in the background. Okay, go to this, no, go to this key. Click on this, start building. See, you are able to log in, I'm sure.
Yeah, now I'm logged
Yes. Okay, now show me.
in.
Just in the meantime, Ugo, you are also facing some issue in the login.
I can't log in too. It's showing me username or password invalid.
Okay, Sava, can you check Ugo's account as well once again? Just check, is it her account has been logged or not? Or maybe I'll also check in the background, Ugo.
I don't remember how to go there. Can you help?
You have to find out that page, right? Home page.
Yeah.
Page. Search. Go on the top. Go on the top. Go to the page.
Where?
Scroll. Search here. No filter. Home page new. Yes.
Yeah. So here,
Mm-hmm.
there is just the link that they are asking. Now given
Okay.
the link from there, but then
Your voice is very low, Khushbu.
sorry, yeah. So there is no upload option here.
It should not be. presentation and you are using some widgets.
Yes. So I used image here. I'll show you the image link.
No, no,
This
see
one.
again,
So what should I do?
you are using image link. It means you have to put some link only. You cannot upload the image here.
Yeah.
You have
Okay.
to you
So
see that what widget you will be using.
how do I do that? I don't know why it's not showing here now.
Remove this yeah, remove this.
Yeah, I don't know where it is coming from.
Okay, now go to the images. Sorry, go to the widgets.
Image.
Yes. See, it is a image link is a widget type. So you cannot put a simple image here.
Okay, so how do I add an image here then? Because
You
there's
can
no other option for
there's
image.
another option. No, no, no. You can do this part. In this case, you have to be edit the widget and you have to be write your own code in the picture in that particular
For
place.
putting an image.
Yes, that is the problematic statement here in the portal. That doing the changes in the portal is not that much easy for everyone. And
Then how?
generally developers avoid any kind of a customization in this particular portal. So you had to be, what you can do, you need to be copy this widget, edit this widget, see the code, and then you have to be update that logic there.
In being a consultant, do we get these
No,
kind of jobs?
no. We just know that it is be doing doable or not. And also one more thing,
Okay.
it is not necessary that I should, as a consultant, I should know each and everything. If I'm not sure, I can say, okay, let me ask to my developer or the architect here.
Okay.
Okay, and one more thing, just for everyone, guys, avoid as much as customization you can avoid on the service portal, because the thing is that to do the coding on the service portal, a developer should minimum know HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Without this, a developer cannot write a code here. So what customer says, they says, hey, I want completely brand new portal as per my wish. Then it is a pure customization, go ahead. But if they want, hey, can I add this part in this widget? Avoid that things. So like you're saying, Atul, I want to be add an image, you cannot add. You only add an image link. If you want image, create a new widget in that case. Or maybe you put some container there and then you can use that part. Okay, Khushbu.
Okay.
Good. Ugo, why you're not able to log in? Let me see. Okay, thanks, Sava. You done that part. Great. Okay, guys. So let me share my screen quickly here. If anything else, otherwise I'll stop the recording now. Okay. So if no other question, let me stop the recording here and take a quick attendance now.